Hello guys, welcome to the fourth tutorial of the series of the React Native. And in this tutorial I will tell you about how to make a button and the touchability opacity like this and connect it to the list page. Okay friends, so let's get started. Firstly I back my code which I have typed so that I can explain you each and everything. Okay friends, and here we are till the last take. Okay friends, so let me press Ctrl S so that I can show you. We are at the last date here. Hello to Pikachu Pika Pig. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends, before starting I want to tell you about poses. What is poses? Let's see. If you type poses here, and poses is actually the function having the different things inside it. And what are these things? I will tell you in this. I type here console so that it may reflect to the console.log, and here I pass poses. Okay friends, and press Ctrl S. This function, whenever the home call, so console.log poses returns the value of the log poses. Here when I call this function and in my terminal, let's open the terminal, you might see here the poses is called. Here it is poses has the object different things like navigation have different things like dismiss, go back, navigate, pop, push. All these functions come under the navigate button, navigate function. And after that there is a add listener, all these things which come in the poses provide us all these things. So friends, poses is very important for us for creating the buttons and all of it. Okay, so let's start with the creating the buttons. So in this I type here button, capital BUTT1. Whenever I press tab, so you might see that here in the React Native there is a call for the button also. So I close this tag here only, and in this tag we provide the title to it. Okay, we provide title which is written in the inside the button, it will show that title. I provide let us provide list of card and provide Ctrl S. Okay, here I created a button of the title list.Ctrl S. You see the button appears. Okay, so I just cut here and put it below the text so that it will look nice. Okay, the button appears below the hello to Pikachu. Okay friends, and just remove this styling so that because of the styling the button comes to the center and see it look nice. Okay, so another view is for the button we can use here, that is friends, another thing which we can use for the as a button, that is touchable opacity. I will tell you why we use touchable opacity and why we use that. In the touchable opacity I type text. In this we have to type like this text, and we will provide some text like a list of cartoon, and just provide Ctrl S. Let's see. So there is a list of cartoon appears, but it is very small. So let's type something for this. Let's make a new style as I show you previously. So I name it button, and here I provide font size. Font size I provided 30, and color blue. We have to call it in this. So button one, copy, and we have to just put this style in this. Style equals to style start button one. Okay, and just we put Control S. Here you see the list is there. As you see the button is appears. So firstly we talk about what is this button view and touchable opacity view. So when you click this, you see the color of this changes and it look nice, but in the button it is a typical Android button which we have seen here. But for the touchable opacity we can make the button to the anything, like we can put here image view which I show in the upcoming videos and all of that. So we can make the button to the image and anything we can make, want to make the button so touchable opacity work well. It's not look like a typical Android button. Okay friends, so how we can connect this to our list, this one list of the cartoon. So in the app.json file, app.js file, sorry, in app.js file we have to make a variable as we shown in the first video. Here I made it the home one and put the screen list of cartoon which we have imported here. we put it here. Okay friends, so list of cartoon we imported here. And what we have to do in the home.js, we have called pauses for here. Okay, on press, whenever the button is pressed, so I call a function. What's that? See, let's see. I call a function which is pauses dot navigate. We are going to pauses where there is a function that is navigation. In the navigation, we are going to the navigate. Here it is navigate. We are able to see. Okay friends, so navigate. Then we have to write where to navigate. Okay, we have to navigate to home one, which I have shown in the this video. This home one, we have to navigate to this. Okay, this is screen. So I just press Ctrl S and you can see the magic. Oh, there is an error. Let's see where is the error. We have to put this in the double inverted comma. Okay, and then put Ctrl S. Yeah, that's the. Okay friends, for the touchable opacity also, I just copy this, Ctrl C, and in the touchable opacity I put enter, Ctrl V, and just put Ctrl S. Okay, let's see when we click to this, it take us to that. Okay friends, so friends, poses is very long library. So beside importing whole here, so I just import navigation in here, navigation. And when I import only navigation, so I do not need to write here pauses. I just imported navigation from the pauses, so it may work. When I put Ctrl S and it refresh, and yeah, it's working. Okay friends, so beside importing whole library, we can just import navigation as we our work is just completed by the navigation here. So we just import navigation. Okay friends, so this is the end of the video. Here we navigate the button from one screen to another. So friends, please subscribe, and in the upcoming videos we'll see how the image works and all things. Okay friends, thank you friends for watching. Please subscribe.